Nervous Coordination Part 8. Human Nervous System. The human nervous system is divided into three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves, and autonomous nervous system consists of two parts: sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Now we will learn about central nervous system. That is about brain and spinal cord. So we will first study about the parts of brain. There are three parts of human brain. Number 1, forebrain. Number 2, midbrain. And number 3, hindbrain. Forebrain is also called as prosencephalon, and this prosencephalon is made up of three parts. Number 1, reencephalon. Number 2, telencephalon. Number 3, diencephalon. Reencephalon consists of olfactory lobes. Telencephalon consists of cerebrum, and diencephalon is made up of three subparts. Number 1, epithalamus. Number 2, thalamus. Number 3, hypothalamus. Midbrain is also called as mesencephalon, and it depends on two parts, that is cerebral peduncle or crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Third, hindbrain. It is also called as rhombencephalon, and this rhombencephalon consists of two parts: metencephalon and myelencephalon. Metencephalon is made up of two parts: cerebellum and pons varolai, and myelencephalon consists of medulla oblongata. Now we will start to study about brain. Brain is situated in a bony box called as cranium. This cranium is situated at the apex of skull. Inside the cranium, brain is covered by three coverings. These coverings are called as meninges. There is a cranium in which brain is located, and inside the cranium there are three coverings on brain. That is first called as dura mater, which is outer covering below the cranium. Second and middle covering is called as arachnoid, and third and innermost covering which is situated around the brain, which is called as pia mater. Dura mater is tough, outermost, non-vascular, thick and fibrous manings, and it is attached to the inner side of cranium. ड्यूरा मैटर ब्रेन की आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग होती है जो टफ और नॉन वैस्कुलर होती है और ये फाइब्रस टिश्यू से बनी हुई होती है. देन सेकंड, arachnoid. It is the middle, thin and non-vascular layer of connective tissue having wave-like appearance. Arachnoid ये मिडिल कवरिंग होती है जो थिन होती है और नॉन वैस्कुलर होती है और वेव लाइक होती है, यानी झिल्ली के जैसी ये कवरिंग होती है. Third and innermost covering which is situated on the surface of brain. This covering is called as pia mater. It is delicate, highly vascular and membranous covering. पाया मैटर सबसे इनर कवरिंग होती है जो ब्रेन की सरफेस पर होती है. ये वैस्कुलर होती है, यानी it is supplied by blood vessels and it is a membranous and delicate covering. There are two spaces in between these membranes. Outer space is called as subdural space. This space is found between dura mater and arachnoid, and second space is found between arachnoid and pia mater. It is called as subarachnoid space. So there is first space, subdural space, and other is called as subarachnoid space, and these two spaces are filled with a fluid. This fluid is called as cerebrospinal fluid, that is CSF. This CSF is a lymph-like extracellular fluid secreted by pia mater. It is slightly alkaline fluid with a specific gravity of 1.005. A total of 100 to 120 cc of CSF is present in and around the central nervous system. These meninges and CSF are also present around the spinal cord. Thus, the meninges and CSF act as shock absorber and protect the brain and spinal cord from mechanical injuries. It also maintains constant pressure inside the cranium. It also helps in exchange of nutrients and waste between blood and brain tissue. It helps in the supply of oxygen to the brain. It protects the brain from desiccation. डेसिकेशन का मतलब होता है कि ये ब्रेन को सूखने से बचाता है. इस तरीके से सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड के कई फंक्शन होते हैं, यानी ये ब्रेन को न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी सप्लाई करता है, ऑक्सीजन भी सप्लाई करता है, उसके साथ ये ब्रेन को शॉक्स और डैमेज से बचाता है और ये ब्रेन के अतराफ प्रेशर को मेंटेन भी रखता है और ब्रेन को डेसिकेशन से यानी उसको सूखने से भी बचाता है।